So apparently I got here. I just caught the recycling truck just driving up the Queensboro Bridge on the northbound side. I was just lucky to catch part of it anyway. The return to depot where had the big tractor trailer unit anyways for return. Anyway, then a big tug, and then the Southern Railway trap yard, and then the morning run just before we're about to make its way eastbound Valley Job as well. So a mixture compilation, and I also got a model train of a Buckman. Buckman's company also making the model trains too for many years too as well for different individuals. So it's a mixed compilation here as well, so please enjoy. And yeah, it's just like my passion to make little reels and share different picture what I've seen and which I like too. And